Hi YouTubers, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today I want to show you what I ordered for myself for Mother's Day. I made an order at Bath & Body Works. I had been wanting some of their fragrance mists for a while. Now, straight perfume or cologne usually gives me a headache because I just have a sensitive nose or sense of smell or something, and a lot of times I'll get a migraine. However, I have found that the Bath & Body Works fragrance mists are much more subtle. They're not as concentrated, so I was waiting for them to go on sale, and right before Mother's Day they did, so I was really happy about that. And here's the box: happiness guaranteed, love it or bring it back. There's a couple of coupons in here, 20% off an online order, and the semi-annual sale, which is twice a year they run, and a 10 off 40 for that. I've already taken out my shipping label and everything, just for my own privacy, but I'll show you what I got. So this was so much fun to choose. I managed to get these basically for $6 a piece. And if you notice on the bottom of these bottles, regular retail price, which I would never pay regular retail price anyway, but $14.50. So basically I got them for less than half of what the retail price is. And then I had free shipping to boot. So, and I went through ebates.com. Always go through Ebates to get a little percentage back. It adds up over the course of the year. I'll put my link below, down in here, so that you can see in the description. It's a referral link, but I think it gives you like, I don't know, I want to say like $10 back on your first order or something like that. But anyway, so this one is Wild Rose and Apple. Isn't that beautiful? It's like a pink color. Almost looks like pink Kool-Aid, really. It's hard to tell in this light right now because I waited too late in the day to film this with natural light. The sun's going down, so I'm using my light that's in my house, and my bulbs have a little bit of a yellowish tint. Anyway, this one is Watermelon Lemonade. Now that is a summertime sounding fragrance if I ever heard one. I'm really excited about that one. And these also, I meant to say, they're all 8 ounces, so that'll be cool. But I like to spray these if I'm going somewhere or even just hanging out around the house because they make me feel happy. And sometimes I'll even spray them in my hair because I feel like the scent lingers a little longer if I spray it in my hair rather than if I spray it on my skin. It evaporates really quickly from my body heat. It just depends on what kind of mood I'm in. And then this one is, what's this one called? Sea Island Cotton, and that's blue, which is kind of hard to see against the backgrounds of, like, I have green walls and brown floors, so you're just gonna have to, like, believe me here. This is Magic in the Air. I have no idea what this is gonna smell like, but it's so pretty. It's like a greenish aqua color. It's got shiny holographic leaves and vines and branches, so that is pretty. I'm looking forward to that. This one is Wild Honeysuckle. Now I love the Bath & Body Works Honeysuckle fragrance in all their different products. The lotion, the shower gel. I mean, even back in the day, I'm talking 20 years ago, I was buying Wild Honeysuckle or the Bath & Body Works Honeysuckle fragrance. I think they've maybe gone through a few changes of their fragrance just over time through the years, but I still love it. In fact, long time ago when I had a lot more time on my hands because I had less children, there was once upon a time where it was really hard to get honeysuckle. It used to sell out within one day at the stores. This was before internet buying was a big thing, like seriously 20 years ago. And I was really big into eBay at the time, so I would put in an order. I would call ahead to the store that I wanted to stop by. I lived in a big city, and I would call ahead and ask them if I could buy an entire case. So, and usually if they had enough and the manager felt like they had enough, they would authorize me to buy an entire case at one time. And I would go in after working my regular day job and go pick up just that. I mean, I didn't even buy anything else at the store. I would go in and pick up a case of like 16 honeysuckle lotions and then sell them on eBay. And at the time, I could get a markup of like 50%. It was insane. Those were the days. We had to go to a lot of trouble to get our honeysuckle back then, and people were happy to buy it because how else were they going to get it? I mean, if you didn't go down there and figure out which day it was at the store, because they didn't announce it the same way that they do online now. If you didn't go down to the store and get it, you were out of luck. So anyway, that's my story from 20 years ago, but I've always been a Bath & Body Works honeysuckle person. Now, this one is tea and ginger. So this is kind of like a pink, but I think a lot of the pink comes from the pink leaves on the label. I think it's really more of an orangey, but not even orange. It's like a brownish orange, like you would expect a glass of tea to be. So I'm looking forward to that. Then this is Happy Vibes, and I don't know if you can see it on the label. Let me see if I can get it to focus. It says, well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it to focus. Let's see. There you go. Start every day with Happy Vibes. Enjoy this energizing blend of pink citrus, crisp pear, and fresh honeysuckle. See, there's my honeysuckle again. So that's going to be a good one in the morning. Maybe it'll get me a little bit more get up and go in the morning. So that'll start my day off on the right foot, I think. And then, whoops, excuse me, bear with me here. Hold on. Let me see if I can. Okay, YouTubers, I'm back. I had a little technical difficulty where basically I dropped my phone. I am literally filming almost all of my own videos. Sometimes I'll have help from one of my children, but not usually. I like to do it independently when I can. So this one is the last one. It's called At the Beach, and it's a little bit different shape of a bottle. It's got a cap on it that's opaque and shiny. It looks kind of like a coppery color, so that's cool, and it's like a rectangular prism shape with the edges kind of cut it and the corners cut at angles, and then shiny label. So that will probably smell totally awesome. Looking forward to that. So like I said, just a shade with tax, just a shade over $45. And I got 8 of them, which normally at regular retail price, see, I'm knocking over my own bottles because I'm doing it by myself, and so I'm doing it one-handed. But you guys are very forgiving and bear with me. So I'll show you if I can get any of them to stand up. So, wait, there's one more. I knew there was 8. Okay, so I got 8 of these. Normally, 8 would be pushing $120 retail value. I would never pay $120. Always use a coupon. Don't ever pay full price at Bath & Body Works. Anyway, but I got this for just a few pennies over $45 with free shipping. So I'm excited. This is like the lowest price of the year on these, and I'm going to be smelling fine for several months, I think. All right, YouTubers, do you guys ever order or buy the fragrance mists from Bath & Body Works, or even from another store? Do you buy other brands of fragrance mists? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear about it and see what you think and what are your favorite fragrances. All right, thanks for bearing with me as I film this one-handed by myself. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing what my haul included, and I'll talk to y'all later. That's how I'm doing it.